My name's Taylor.
And I'm Jack.
And welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour. We're going to be making a drink for you today called a Conjurer.
Yeah, this is a fun one. This is obviously very Halloween themed as well. If you watched last week's video, this is right on theme.
Right.
So we need some basic ingredients. We've got bourbon, we have Maraschino Liqueur, we have agave syrup, and some cherries. We're not actually going to use the cherries, we're just going to use the syrup from the cherries. So any kind of like cherry juice, if it's Luxardo or not, is fine. And then we also have some black glitter powder, and this stuff is totally optional, but it does make the drink look really seasonally appropriate.
If you're going for presentation, you have to get a bunch of glitter like that. The edible glitter is great for making drinks. So
right, and this stuff is super cheap. You can get like 30 colors on Amazon for $12. So
that's great.
We can drop a link down below too. And then lastly, we're going to need some lemon juice. So we're going to start out with the bourbon. We have 2 ounces of this. Whoa.
A hefty 2-ounce pour of bourbon.
All over my fingers. My wife is going to be like, what were you doing today?
Listen, sometimes the hand pours, sometimes the brain pours. It's one of the two, man.
I guess my brain was wanting a lot of bourbon. Okay, next we're going to do a half an ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. Okay, we're going to do a little eyeball pour. This is just measure with your heart. We're just going to do some cherry syrup. This stuff is really good, so I'm going to do a little extra. And then we've got a half an ounce of our agave syrup. Whoop. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, no, I'm like 12 years old. Like if you hear stuff like that, I have to laugh. It doesn't matter what setting I'm in, I'm gonna laugh.
Oh man, even my 1-year-old thinks fart sounds are funny. Okay, and then lastly we're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice, and this time I won't squirt it in my eyes.
Good, you're learning this time.
Yeah. Apparently that's optional. You don't have to squirt lemon juice in your eyes.
I prefer that step. I think it's funny for everyone.
Alright, here we go.
Perfect. There you go.
1 ounce of lemon juice. Okay. So we're gonna, and actually, the best part. We were just talking about it. Ooh. Let's go.
Definitely make sure the whole top doesn't come off on it, and you'll have the whole thing filled with glitter.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna just shake a bunch of this stuff in. You really can't use too much. We're trying to get like a really deep black color. Alright, hopefully that's enough. And we're going to cap this and shake it.
Yeah, no, I definitely think if we smoke this with some cherry, it's going to be a great pair since we're already using the cherry liqueur, so.
I agree.
Absolutely.
This is my favorite part.
Now, if you're smoking your glass too, you're going to get a little more of that smoky flavor setting in throughout the entirety of your drink more evenly.
Yeah, and since this is made with bourbon and a lot of strong flavors, we're okay with that. We don't want to overpower a drink necessarily, but... Alright, so I'm going to pour this quickly. Let's see how it looks. Oh, man.
Wow. That looks so straight out of a witch's cauldron. That is cool.
That is so cool. And you can't really see it on the camera probably, but this gets these little swirls from the side. So as you spin it around, it's like a galactic sort of appeal. It's like it's from the cosmos.
Now you can really see that shimmer with the black glitter. That looks great. Yeah. That looks awesome. I feel like I want to taste it real quick.
Yeah,
I feel
absolutely.
Like here's... Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Is it?
That's great. Wow. Wow. Yeah, you need to try a sip of that.
Okay. I smell the bourbon. It smells
It's not like a crazy bourbon taste right now. Like it's sweet. It's coming through very nicely.
Oh my god. Wow. This is like
it's definitely the cherry that I'm tasting that's sweet.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, there's a little bit of the maraschino flavor. This is like a Manhattan but better.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really good.
That is awesome.
Yeah, so give this one a try. Seriously.
I feel like now I need to have so many Halloween parties just so I can have these for all my friends. Like, this is great.
Yeah. And you know what's good about it, too, is the bourbon is not in your face.
Yeah.
A lot of people think bourbon is too strong. This is 100 proof bourbon that we used, and it's still pretty accessible. I think I usually don't taste the bourbon as much in drinks because I drink a lot of bourbon, but what do you think? Is it?
I'm not a heavy bourbon drinker. I don't mind the taste whatsoever, but if it's overpowering in a drink than it is this, it's light, it sneaks in there, and cool. So it's if you're not a heavy bourbon drinker, I think it's a great drink for you.
Awesome. Yeah, super cool for holiday drinks, and you could make this orange, or you could make it purple, or you could make it a Christmas drink by turning it red or green. So
get creative, start adding different colors, and definitely tag us if you make something like that. Post it. We do want to see everything, all your creations.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment down below. If you make it, like he said, tag us because we love to see it and we want to reshare it. And if you want to see more videos like this posted every Thursday, hit subscribe. Cheers.